Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's cooking episode, I'm making my family's favorite breaded fried chicken breast. Guys, they really love it. Okay, I hope your family will too. So in this recipe, I'm going to use thin cut breasts, so they literally cook up in about 3 to 4 minutes, which means dinner is on the table in record time. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Now let's get right into the video, guys. For this recipe, we are going to use 2 chicken breast cutlets. Basically, it's just 1 chicken breast. Then you cut it in half. We're gonna start by seasoning the chicken cutlets with salt and pepper on both sides. You can also use the full chicken breast. What you need to do is to pound it with the meat mallet to the thickness you want, and the cooking time will be 5 minutes per side. Next, we are going to work on our dress station. Here I have milk, an egg, and hot sauce. We're gonna mix all that together until the egg is fully beaten and mixed thoroughly. The next thing we are going to work on is the flour. Combine all-purpose flour, garlic powder, salt, onion salt, and paprika. Mix well until everything is blended well. Next, we are going to form an assembly line with our breading ingredients. Now it's time to bread our chicken. We're gonna start by placing the chicken into the flour, coating both sides in flour. You only need a light coating, guys, so remove any excess by patting. Then we're gonna go ahead and dip the chicken breast into the milk egg mixture. Make sure you keep one hand free and dry as you coat the chicken. Allow any excess eggs to drip off. Then finally, we're gonna place the chicken into the breadcrumbs. Use your dry hand to pat on each breadcrumbs for an even coating. Now place the breaded chicken breast into a clean plate and repeat the same process with the remaining chicken breast. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you do, give it a like. If you are new here, welcome to Mama Bui's Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends and your family. Shout out to Happy Mancha Traveler. Guys, go check her channel out. That's my daughter. She just landed in UK. Give her all the support you can, guys. Let's help her, guys, to reach 7,000 subscribers by subscribing to her channel. Like and share her videos with your friends and family. Check the channel link in the description box down below the video. Back to the video. Here I have oil heated up to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Guys, make sure your oil is really hot. We're gonna place the chicken breast and fry them for 3 to 4 minutes per side. This breaded chicken require you to keep an eye on them, guys. Adjust the heat down if they are browning too quickly. Once you flip them, you can lower the heat so they can cook through without burning. It normally takes about 3 to 4 minutes per side. So what I like to do, I like to place the chicken on a greased pan, then put under the broiler for 2 minutes to make sure it's cooked thoroughly. You can tell if your chicken is fully cooked when the thickest part of the meat registers at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Now our chicken is out of the oven. It looks amazing, guys. There you have it, guys. Breaded fried chicken. I serve mine with salad. You can pair yours with roasted potatoes, mashed potatoes, or any sides of your liking. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my